In this video, we will discuss how to change settings on the ProDrive transmission. On a ProDrive transmission, there are two ranges designated by buttons on the console. If I simply push one of those icons, I can use the scroll wheel to adjust the top speed in that range. That is the speed the machine will go when it is running wide open in that range. So as you can see, I have my speed up on the corner posts for view. Again, remember my maximum speed in range 1 is 3 miles an hour. If I begin to drive the machine, you can see we're only going 0.6 miles an hour when I'm currently at low idle. If I increase RPMs to full idle, the machine will reach the maximum speed for that range. If I simply push my range, I can adjust the top speed in that range and the machine will increase speed. Range 2 is typically used for road transport and is typically not adjusted in most situations. One reason you may decide to adjust the maximum speed in range is it helps adjust the usability of the hydro handle or the responsiveness of the hydro handle. If we increase the maximum speed within the range, the hydro handle is going to be more sensitive as you push it to speed changes. If you lower the maximum speed in that range, the hydro handle is not going to be as sensitive to movement for speed changes.